Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best firewood racks that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have a Magna Outdoor Log Rack. The Magna Outdoor Log Rack is a strong and sturdy structure designed to hold firewood logs. This structure has construction from high-quality, heavy steel tubes and features a frame dimension of 48 inches x 48 inches. The rack goes to a depth of 14 inches. Plus, it has a gap of 6.7 inches left underneath. Hence, it ensures that the dry logs do not touch the wet ground. The structure is so made that it can as easily be used in an indoor environment as an outdoor setup. Finally, the sturdy steel frame is capable of holding up to 330 pounds of firewood at one go. Moving on at number 4, we have Landman Firewood Rack. If you are looking for a firewood rack that is going to last you a long time, then go for the Landman Firewood Rack 82443. It has both a long length and a long life. At 8 feet, this log rack can store logs for quite a couple of days. The tubular steel structure adds to the strength of this log rack. Plus, it features a powder coating which enhances its resistance to corrosion and makes it weatherproof. Lastly, the rack comes paired with a PVC cover sheet that helps to protect the dry logs in wet weather. So, what more do you need? At number 3, we have Best Choice Products Steel Firewood Rack. The Best Choice Products Steel Rack is indeed one of the best choices you can make if you are going for a firewood log rack. This is a stylish rack crafted to bring a cozy feel to your home and can even be used in an outdoor setup. Next, the rack is constructed from hardened, heavy-duty steel and thus features quite a sturdy body. Furthermore, the steel is all the more powerful through powder coating. As a result, it makes it resistant to rust as well as corrosion. The storage rack also comes with hooks on the side to hold the different instruments required while tending a fire. At number 2, we have Shelter SLRK Adjustable Log Rack. If you are looking for a simple yet efficient solution for your log storage, then go for the Shelter SLRK Rack. The structure is from high-quality heavy-duty steel to ensure a sturdy disposition. This framework is so made such that you can fix 2x4 boards anywhere along with the height of it. Besides, the log storage rack features a depth of 14 inches and is quite suitable to keep long logs in place. Moreover, the steel body is weatherproof by powder coating which also ensures that it is resistant to corrosion and chipping. And finally at number 1. Pure Garden Log Rack 50-127. This is indeed ideal for a crafty arrangement to store all your logs. It is a stylish piece of equipment for your home loaded with arched ends to add some degree of aesthetics to your place. The whole setup is from tubular steel. Hence, ensure a proper and hardy framework that can support the load of firewood. To make it even more durable, black powder coating is used on the tubular steel body. However, the frame of this log rack has a dimension of 23 inches x 23 inches and it features an adequate depth of 23 inches. This gives you a lot of space to neatly arrange all the firewood you need.